They reveal it in this 33 cryptography, like cryptocurrency. What would crypto mean? Like hidden message, hidden currency, sneaky, sneaky? God's voice thunders and the earth melts. When Jesus, the rocks split in half. Psalms 2:1. Why did the heathens rage? Nimrod was a mason. What was he building? A tower? A great hunter? He was one of the giants, right? Yesterday, Nimrod, Tower of Babel, translation goes. He's hunting men. 33. Building blocks. Gilgamesh, nations in chaos. Nations crumble. Starts with order, breaks down to chaos. Tower of Babel. There, Rachel. God of Israel is our fortress. Psalms 9:9. The Lord is a refuge, a citadel. Crypto, hidden secret in ground. Rip out of currency right now. Cryptography 33, cryptography, autograph, writing. You're writing something, but it's hidden. Nothing to me. Jesus Christ will consume them in a moment as they try to surround Israel. He's our shield. The Holy Spirit is looking for us. The Lord of Jacob, our strength, verse 9, burns shield with fire. Who's causing things to happen? God. Always a purpose, always God being glorified. Let's study Psalms. Psalms 46, God, when there's a war, who's behind it? Snaps the bows of the mighty broken. God works with the feeble. David grew up stronger as house of Saul grew weaker. He burns the chariots with fire. The Lord will mediate between nations. What does God do? He mediates like a union going through mediation. You're in trouble when you go to human resources. Make it not so bad. Mediate, settle. Isaiah 2:4, mediate, bring it down. They will hammer their spears and swords into pruning hooks, beat their swords into plowshares, use it for agriculture, don't need swords anymore. Washington, D.C. Supreme Court, February 4th, 2023, written on them. Washington, D.C. Supreme Court. They will try to sandblast. Isaiah 9:6, fuel for fire. Be still, know that I am God. Psalms 46:10. I'll be honored throughout the world. We are the sheep of the pasture. I'll be back. I love you.